Video 2 of understanding automation to help your home. So here it is. Trying to sleep. Well, it's getting a little warm in here. Say you're not home. Say you are, but you're just not exactly around the thermostat. With home automation, it doesn't matter. Here is a thermostat, 79 degrees. Unit is off. Take your tablet or smartphone. At this point, you go to your app, 79 degrees. Hit go to thermostat. Okay, there's your thermostat. On the app, you have heat, cool, auto, or fan. Say you want to turn the air on. We hit auto. It processes. Therefore, it turns on. Here's your, there you go. Now you see, unit is on. Well, we don't want a weenie dog to sleep in the heat, so we turn it up. By adjusting the dial, you can go from any temperature to any temperature. Dual zone. So therefore, you can actually set the heat to come on at one point, cool at the other point. So what'll happen on these crazy nights when it gets really cold at night, well, if you have to switch from AC in the day to heat at night, the unit will automatically adjust. Humidity settings, convenience. This can also be done through your smartphone on 4G, 3G, other Wi-Fi. That is what automation can do for you. Thank you for watching.